in this video we prove the g of minus 1 by 2 of x equal to square root of 2 by pi x into cos x. In the previous video we learned the g half of x equal to root of 2 by pi x into sin x. So it is similarly of that we prove g of minus half x equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x into cos x. So let us prove. We know that by definition of Bessel's function, Jn of x equal to summation of r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to r x by 2 raised to n plus 2r into 1 divided by gamma of n plus r plus 1 into r factorial. Denote this as the equation number 1. By using this we prove this. So put n is equal to minus 1 by 2 so that we get g of minus 1 by 2. So put n is equal to minus 1 by 2 in equation number 1, then we get g of minus 1 by 2 into x is equal to summation of r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to r into x by 2 raised to, so put n is equal to minus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 plus 2r into 1 divided by gamma of, put n is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus r plus 1 into r factorial. So simply put n is equal to minus 1 by 2, we get this. Next simplify this to obtain the proof. So here it is in the form of a raised to m plus n. So a raised to m into a raised to n. So take x by 2 raised to minus 1 by 2 outside, then it will be x by 2 raised to minus 1 by 2 summation of r is equal to 0 to infinity, remaining is minus 1 raised to r into x by 2 raised to 2r into 1 divided by gamma of, simplify this. So r as it is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means LCM is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So r plus 1 by 2 into r factorial. So we have collected the r term one side because this exponent, the summation in terms of r, so it is constant. Next put r is equal to 0, 1, comma 2, so on in this formula. So expound this. Then g of minus 1 by 2 of x is equal to, so here x by 2 raised to minus 1 by 2 is there, so it can be written as square root of 2 by x. So numerator and denominator change. Then put r is equal to 0 here, minus 1 raised to 0 is 1, x by 2 raised to 0 is 1, 1 divided by 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 0 factorial is 0, sorry 1. Then by putting r is equal to 0, we get 1 divided by gamma of 1 by 2. So that is 1 divided by gamma of 1 by 2 plus put r is equal to 1. If you put r is equal to 1, minus 1 raised to 1 is minus 1, x by 2 into 1 is 2, x by 2 whole square, 1 divided by, put r is equal to 1 means 1 plus 1 by 2 means it is 3 by 2 into 1 factorial. So here we write minus 1 raised to 1 into x by 2 whole square into 1 divided by gamma of 3 by 2 into 1 factorial plus, if you put r is equal to 2, we get minus 1 square is plus 1, x by 2, 2 into 2 will be 4, x by 2 raised to 4, 1 divided by, that is r is equal to 2, we get 5 by 2 into 2 factorial. Here minus 1 raised to 2, x by 2 raised to 4 into 1 divided by gamma of 5 by 2 into 2 factorial plus so on. So it is. Now simplify by substituting the value of gamma of 1 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2, gamma of 5 by 2. So we know that gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1, and gamma of 1 by 2 is, it is standard in the root pi. Therefore already gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi, then gamma of 3 by 2 is, if you put n is equal to 3 by 2, we get 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. Gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi. So gamma of 5 by 2 is, so you know gamma of 5 by 2 in the previous video, that is put n is equal to 5 by 2 here, we get 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2, that is root pi, or 3 into root pi divided by 4. So put gamma of 1 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2, gamma of 5 by 2 in above equation. We get square root of 2 divided by x into 1 divided by root pi. So here minus 1 square is minus 1, plus minus minus. So that if you expand, that is x square divided by 4. Then gamma of 3 by 2 is root pi by 2, or it can be written as 2 divided by root pi. Then 1 factorial value is 1, plus minus 1 square is plus 1. Then that will be the x raised to 4 is x raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 into the gamma of 1 pi by 2 is gamma of pi by 2 is 3 into root pi by 4. 4 into, so 4 divided by 3 into root pi, then 2 factorial is 2 plus 1. So this is. Next, simplify to obtain the, that is the square root of 2 divided by pi x into cos x. So in the denominator, root pi is there for all the terms. Take the root pi common, then you will get 2 divided by square root of 2 divided by x into 1 divided by root pi. Then remaining term will be the, here 1 minus 2 under 2 to the x square divided by 2, because root pi I have taken outside, plus it will be the 2 under 2 to the, then here 1 2 cancel, 2 cube will be remain 8, 8 3 is 24. So x raised to 4 divided by 24, then root pi we have taken the common minus. So series will be the plus minus plus. So here take root pi inside, 2 divided by pi into x. So we get 1 minus x square. 2 instead of 2 we write 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. 24 can be written as minus, so on. So it is 1 divided by 1 factorial. We have written because in this form, because we have to prove that it is a cos x. So 1 divided by 1 factorial minus x square divided by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 factorial means it is a cosine series. Therefore, j of minus 1 by 2 of x is equal to square root of 2 divided by pi x into cos x. So it is a proof of the given question. Thank you.